Okay, everybody, today we have one very simple objective that we're going to accomplish, and we're going to walk through my yard, and I'm going to show you some things that I do when I'm setting up hives and where I'm placing them, why I've decided to put them there. So right here you can see my front yard. That's a good area off to the right over here where I was just filming. Going across my driveway, this area in the left can probably support about 5 or 10 colonies over there by itself. We have a mix of sun and shade, and these are all things that we're going to be talking more about here in the next couple of weeks as we work with everybody to get them prepared to receive their packages and nukes that are coming in this spring. Over here to the left of this shed is an area where I used to have about 6 or 7 colonies. I'm probably going to be doing the same thing again this year. Now, this is an overhead view showing you what my front yard looks like from above. And you can see right over here is where I'm going to put my hives. That's the area that's boxed out. You'll see another image where we have that. Now, this is northeast to southwest is the way that the road goes. So all those colonies that are over there, they're going to be facing southwest. Now, again, I have them set up as in every other direction. So half of them are going to face southwest. The other half of them are going to face northeast. Now, this is what it actually looks like in the yard. I'm using regular cinder blocks. I have 4x4 posts, 2 of them. So 2 cinder blocks, 2 4x4 posts. And then from there, I've got all my hives set on top of that. So I've got a 10-frame Langstroth hive. I've got a 2-frame nuke, a 5-frame nuke, an 8-frame Langstroth. All of those are comfortably placed there and facing, again, opposite directions on some of them. I think I have 2 of them facing forward and 2 of them facing to the rear in this case. And then this last one I have here is just a hive stand to show you, how you would build it from the bottom up, just to kind of give you a view of what that looks like. Now, right here, I want to show you the area behind the hives. This area is wide enough for me to run my 0-turn mower right through there so we can do a quick pass, get the grass cut, and then get out of the way and then let the bees go back to doing what they're doing. So this is an important thing to make sure you leave plenty of room for your mowers and trimmers and things to get around your hives. And this is that left side of my driveway that I said could support about 8 to 10 colonies. This is a regular Langstroth hive with 4x4 posts. I have an area behind that so you can get through with the lawnmower there as well. It's a push mower for that area. Of course, you'd have a bottom board on top of that stand, and then you would have the hive body sitting on top of that inner cover, outer cover. And next on the list, one of my favorite approaches is just a couple of cinder blocks with the bottom board sitting on top of that. You can see this one here. This is from a divided double deep, because as you can see on it, the entrance is on the right, is facing that way, and the other entrance on the other side is facing the other direction. So that's what you would do if you were using a divided deep. But anyway, folks, these are just a couple of options. Be creative. Come up with some ideas on your own. Drop something in the comments if there's a special way that you like to set your hives up so other people can learn. I mean, you can put them on pallets. There's just so many options. Be creative and have some fun with it. All right, folks, take care. Be kind to one another here. And remember that I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it. We'll talk to you soon.